Hi, hello, mabuhay. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh my God, my fingers are so dirty. Fingers of a gardener. So welcome back to another Sansevieria garden tour. This time I'm visiting my friend's garden, Reynald. Yes. He visited my garden last Wednesday, I think, and he invited me to visit his garden as well. So Reynald also started collecting during pandemic, correct? During pandemic as well. Uy, may nakalimutan ako. Marco Polo. Tatlo yung naputol ko dun eh. Bigyan ko na lang kay Maribel. Sige.
Kikita na ko sa Saturday.
O yun, sige.
Ano hindi? Dadating na may isa.
Yung mahaba, ano yun? Gracilis ba yun?
Yung pino?
Oo. So, we actually met during pandemic. Sorry ha, nagchichismisan kami. We're chatting. He's with me. He's collecting some pups that he's going to gift me. Yes. So we met during pandemic since we started collecting almost at the same time. His garden is in a shade area. That's why I think some of his variegated sanse are losing their variegation. Just like this one. This is variegated Kirky eye.
Variegated? Kahala.
Nagmurayta naman na ngayon. His variegated Masoniana. He has gold flame. This one not surviving in my garden. In my garden. Ang daming pop ng kwan mo, Masoniana mo, oh. See? Pops, incoming pops. Variegated Masoniana. Nakakuha ka kay Kwan, ng Lilia? Kinuha mo din, yung maya niya. This is moonshine mutation and more Masoniana. This is very shady.
Ito, toy black sport?
Kanak?
When?
Go lang. He has a very big bonsal. Oh, you still have a lot here. That is Kirkiai, correct? Ito. I know. Vitala Super Clone.
When?
Vitala Super Clone.
Nakuha kong kwan. Green egg.
This is another part of his garden. These are really very prolific. See? Medyo picta. Metallica. Bagamoyensis. I think, ano,
Leopard. Ata yan.
pahinga ko. Marami ka nito.
Yayan pa lang.
Ayan pala.
Ano yung isang pot na?
Sure ka? Sure ka?
Yeah.
Ang ganda naman ng kon mo, nitong medyo pikta mo. Nakakaasar naman kasi hindi nabubuhay sa akin yung ganyan. Another Bagamoyensis. You also have variegated one, this one. Variegated Bagamoyensis. Oh, his Bitala is big. Getting bigger. This is a new pop. It's getting bigger and bigger. See? This is the height. My so around 3 feet, I think. One down.
Leopard ate. Galing yan kay kwan. Angeline. Ay.
Yung sinabi mo sa akin, nag-comment ka nun? na hybrid. Ito Macrophylla to?
Oo, galing,
Macrophylla
galing kay
variegated.
Thailand.
So pretty. Kay ate, ma'am, ano pangalan mo?
Annalyn.
Annalyn, ma'am Ana. Ano to? Chayo? Ba't ang laki?
Oo.
Chayo yan? Chayo? Very big chayo.
Hindi ko na alam yung mga ID niya. Basta lagay-lagay ko na lang din. Ano, malalaki na.
Very big. This one also is very big. But it met an accident.
O, di aso may. Ilang taon na.
This is Ethiopica.
Oo, galing kay Manang Lilia.
Original yan na Ethiopica. Original, legit Ethiopica. Another area of his garden. He has variegated Sansevieria here. This is Ed Ebi.
Oh. Ay, talaga nagburas ka. Uy, nagnato lang kita ni Amoy.
Ha? Variegated tong silindrika mo?
Saan?
Ito oh.
Oo.
Oh my God. This is very rare.
Galing.
This is very rare. This is variegated, the variegated platinum cylindrica. And it's variegated. Oh my God. First time seeing. Uy, namatay yung black bone cell ko.
Apay.
Hindi ka muna, tay. Andaman to, Maya.
Andaman mo.
Okay. And his variegated Francesa is very large now. Very big. Compared to mine. Ayun ang Chayo, dark. Gabriella yung nasa likod mo.
Oo, yun.
Gabriella yun.
Yun ang chayo, yun ang.
Oto, itong Chayo. Yan. Chayo yung ganyan kung naman.
Wala yung black ko. Wala pang anak yan.
Namatay sa akin. Na deads.
Good luck ka sa'yo.
Wala na. Hindi na ako kukuha syempre. His Francis is very long. See? Oh, kawai? Bagalan ko daw kasi nagagalit yung mga viewers ko. Bilis-bilis ko daw magkuhan. Yan. Ano tong black na to?
Saan?
Ito.
Yung normal, malay ka ba tawag yun?
Black Balayka, oo. And Homiflora or Hawaiian Star. And that is pencil. Sorry, I'm very fast again. And the last location of his garden, this is Kirkiai, Cleopatra, Bali, that is Kitonga, or Mike Phillips A. That is Pipito Hybrid. Ano to talaga? Yan.
Yan nga yung malaki doon.
Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Ala. Hindi yan Gabriela. I'm amazed with this one. I do not know what's the ID. It's very large. The one I saw on the one area. But my friend does not know the ID. Unknown to him. Okay, so that would be all. I'm still going to visit another garden today. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing. And if you had, please do like my videos, comment for conversation. Okay, thank you. Enjoy. See you in my next video.